Imagine that your company has a SQL server running inside its office network, but you want Azure Data Factory to copy data from that SQL server into Azure. Now, here is the important question. Azure Data Factory is running in the cloud, so how does it actually connect to your private on-premises SQL server and perform the data movement? This is where integration runtime comes into the picture. Integration runtime is the infrastructure that provides the compute and connectivity required by Azure Data Factory to perform tasks such as moving data, executing activities, and connecting to different environments. For example, when your data source is inside an on premises or private network, you can use a self hosted integration runtime. It runs within your network and securely enables Azure Data Factory to communicate with that environment. Azure Data Factory mainly provides three types of integration runtime. Azure Integration Runtime is used for cloud based data movement and execution. Self hosted integration runtime is used to access on premises or private network resources. And the Azure-SSIS integration runtime is used to run SSIS package in Azure. So if an interviewer asks what is integration runtime in Azure Data Factory, you can say integration runtime is the compute and connectivity infrastructure that Azure Data Factory uses to move data, execute activities, and connect to different environments. The easiest way to remember it is this: Azure Data Factory defines the work, the integration runtime provides the environment, and the connectivity required to execute that work. Now you know only Now you know not only what integration runtime is, but also why it is needed and when different types of integration runtime are used.